Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. All right, so sometimes I get questions that just says, how do you do this with work and things like that? So today I had an extremely busy day at work, extremely busy. And then I got from work and I wanted to get running in, which I did, and a little weight training. So when you do that, sometimes you come home and you just don't have as much time to kind of spend time on other things. So I decided this would be the perfect time to bring this recipe to you, just to show you how I adapt to, when my schedule is when it's really busy versus when it's like an easy flow. Okay, so for this recipe, this usually is called green goddess soup. But you know what? I was like, I'm going to change that. I'm going to call it Jesus Vitality Soup. Some title with Jesus in it, because you know what? He sustains the body better than anybody. So decided I'm going to adapt the recipe altogether. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of spinach, half of a cucumber, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds that are soaked. Soak them at least 2 to 4 hours, okay? Also, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 cups of water. You also can season this with salt and pepper. Use a pinch of salt, pepper, but like I tell you, season it according to your taste buds. So you know what I do next. I usually just take my blender and I dump everything in there, okay? Just keep it simple. Really, I probably should have put these sunflower seeds in a bowl because it just would have made it easier. But, well, actually, I did a good job getting them in there, so. All right, so then I'm going to put the lemon juice in there. I'm going to dump the water. I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt in there. Remember, I told you, season this according to your taste buds. And then I'm going to blend my food. And you know, guys, if it's not all smooth, I'm okay with that. I'm like seriously okay with that. It's gotta be a little smoother than this. Probably should have cut up my I see my cucumbers now. Okay, my cucumber, I probably should. So cut yours up. Mine was taking a little while. Yes, it was. All right, so that's it. I'm going to take it and pour it out. And so this will help me, especially after working out. I need something that is going to be nutritious and can kind of build those cells back up. All right. All right, so I do like the taste of this. It's a little bland, but it tastes so good. I don't know what it is. Sometimes with vegetables, once you've been raw for a while, I don't want to say raw, but you're eating mostly raw, your taste buds change, right? So that's pretty much it. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.